In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to capture leads, manage your sales pipeline, and keep all your activities and communications organized in one place. Let's start with adding leads, which are basically people or companies who might be interested in what you offer. Once you're logged into Zoho CRM, look for the Leads tab along the top navigation bar. Click that to open your Leads module. To add someone manually, find the plus icon, usually near the top right, and click it. This opens a form where you can type in details like their name, company, email, and any other fields your team uses. Take a moment to fill this out as completely as possible because good data here makes everything else in your CRM more powerful. If you already have a list of contacts, you don't need to add them one by one. Instead, use the Import button inside the Leads section. Zoho CRM will let you upload a CSV file, which is a simple spreadsheet format. Before you import, make sure your column headings in the CSV match the kind of information you want in Zoho, like first name, last name, and phone number. During the import process, you'll be asked to match each column in your file to a field in Zoho. Take your time here and double-check because clean mapping will save you a lot of corrections later. Once you've captured your leads, the next step is to manage your sales pipeline. For that, click on the Deals tab. This is where you track real opportunities that have a chance of closing. To get a clearer visual overview, switch to Kanban view. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical bars. Click that to change the layout. Now your deals appear as cards, organized into columns that represent your sales stages, like qualification, proposal, and negotiation. You can move deals forward simply by dragging and dropping a deal card from one stage to the next. This makes it easy to reflect what's happening in real life. When a conversation advances, just drag the deal to the appropriate stage. This visual pipeline helps you quickly spot bottlenecks, like deals that are stuck in one stage for too long. Finally, let's log activities so every interaction is documented. Open any lead or deal record by clicking its name. Inside, you'll see a timeline area and options for notes, tasks, and meetings. Use the plus buttons next to these sections to record what's happening. Add notes after a call, create tasks for follow-ups, and schedule meetings so you don't forget important touch points. You can also click Send Email directly from within the record to contact that person. Zoho will log that email on the timeline, keeping your entire history with that contact in one place, so you always know what's been done and what needs to happen next.